Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 5 minus 3 bracket 5 minus 2. So let's start with today's video solution. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 6, which is the wrong answer because when an expression, if you have given subtraction, then bracket, then inside the bracket there is subtraction, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. With the help of this rule, we can decide what to solve first. So here, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then E stands for exponent, then multiplication, division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction had same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So let's solve this. So first we have to solve the parenthesis. So rewrite the left out term. So 5 minus 3. Here 5 minus 2 is 3 and we'll put multiplication sign here. Now we have two operations left, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So minus 3 times 3 is minus 9 and 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So what is the correct answer? Minus 4, not 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.